Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today we're going to be repotting this Boston Fern and this Marble Queen Pothos. So, why am I doing that? Well, this is one of the first plants I started working on when I started my videos. This Boston Fern completely dried out near enough. There are only a few of its throngs that had leaves on them. So, as you can see, these few have survived, the rest is a little ball. It's not dead at all. All it needs is more time, and like many ferns, all of this will flush out again. So, look at these beautiful throngs on it. They're still very green and lush. No problem with those. So it just needs to go in another pot and be left outside where I left it, because I found that that is what's keeping this alive. Being outside, more moisture, more humidity, and yeah, it's starting to like that. So we'll just keep going with that and see what happens with it. So basically I'm just going to take it out, put it in another pot, and then we can make this beautiful pot into a Marble Queen pot. And you can see how beautiful the pot is. So yeah, let's just get to it. Basically, this is really easy to get out here. So what I'm going to do is put soil in the other pot first. Put that there. Put that on the floor a minute, I think, actually, because otherwise this whole little tape is just going to fall over. Not so well prepared. Get some soil. Try and press down some in the bottom first so that I get a solid bottom in there. I think that would be better. And then I can place more. Not too much. This time I actually want to plant it so that the top of this Boston Fern is a little bit more in the soil, because it's a bit high up. It doesn't look very nice. If it's further down like that, yeah, it will help to keep it a bit more moist and hide some of this dirt looking stuff. So, yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to use this soil that's already here, because it was only just planted in this pot, so it doesn't really need any new soil or anything like that. It's the same soil. I'm just going to place that around the edges. Try and get those throngs that are okay up. Keep these ones up. So place that all around. It's such nice moist soil, I can feel, and I can see by these few throngs on this that it's really, really happy with that. By covering the dry bit up in the middle, it doesn't look as ratty-tatty. Yeah, just another word I came up with. Yeah. So, and there we go. Look at that. Looks much fresher, looks much newer. It's only got a few throngs on it at the moment, but it will get more and it will look beautiful, because it is really starting to freshen up there where it's fresh. So I'm really happy about that. That's got a second chance at life. Now, this soil in here is very moist. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to add perlite to it, because now we're going to be putting the Marble Queen Pothos in, which doesn't like to be too wet all the time. Or at least it doesn't like to be too waterlogged. So in with the perlite. Got to hoover this place again. Can you imagine doing this indoors? Every single time I make a video, I have to get in here and I have to hoover this place like crazy. But it's good because when you've got this amount of plants in a room, you've got to keep on top of it anyway. So this gives me a good excuse all the time to get in here and make sure I hoover everything up. Now I just want to get, this is a little bit drier, this soil, so I just want to get it mixed in with the stuff that's really wet at the bottom. Well, not really wet, but wetter at the bottom, so that we get a good even distribution. And I know that when I plant these Marble Queen Pothos in here, I don't need to water them for a while. It's got plenty of water. So there you go, soil's ready, pot's ready. Pothos, come to me. Now, I've got 1, 2, 3 kind of areas in this that I can put this straight in. I've got a little bit left here. I don't know what I should do. I want that thicker look quite quickly. So I think I'm just going to put them all in here so I get a wonderful, lush, thick plant straight away, so it'll look nice on the middle of my dining room table. That's what we're going to do. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it, as they say. So, this little tiny one, I'll put in the middle first, as a centerpiece. In your pot, just like that. Then these ones, very root bound, as always. Open it up a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And where the highest ones are, I'm actually going to put those towards the middle to encourage more height towards the middle of the pot. And then it'll spread out to the edges itself anyway. So yeah, encourage more to the middle. That's another one. But I want to lean it a little bit forward so I don't see the edges too much. That's one more. So this one's a beautiful little one. It's going to take up this space here. There. Now that looks already beautiful, if I don't say so myself. It's a bit rough, this pot, so it's hard to wipe the edges. So, et voila, a beautiful centerpiece for the table. Thick, lush Marble Queen Pothos. Just love it. Blow it, dust it off a little bit, and that's ready to go. So that and the Boston Fern. 2 plants, repotted, and look beautiful. So that's it from me and Gardens and Crystals for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. You're so lovely.